Yo, what's going on, you guys? Listen, before you do anything, click that subscribe button, turn that notifications to on so you don't miss out on the next tutorial. It would definitely mean a lot to me. Please do share it if you find the video useful. And pretty much this is a very, very easy way to do a high skin fade. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any suggestions or anything else you want me to see or create, let me know. I'm here to help. All right, so here pretty much with the number 3 guard, I'm just doing 3 on top. We're cutting against the grain. I'm cleaning a little bit on the sides as well, so I'm able to see a little bit better where I'm gonna create my first guideline. This is gonna be a 3 on top, high skin on the side. All right, so now I'm gonna got my trimmers and I'm gonna create my first guideline. To a little bit to the temple peak point, not really stopping, so I try not to create the hard line that is hard for most of you to take out. And also, since I got the trimmers in my hands, I like to save a little bit of time and edge as well. So I'm gonna edge the top of his beard and the side of his beard and also the front hairline. Like in all my videos, I like to start by combing the hair down. We're not gonna push it back, we're gonna keep it as natural as possible. And I like to start in the middle and work my way towards the outside. Now here with no guard, I'm gonna open it and slightly close maybe a notch or two. And I'm gonna create a second guideline. Then I'm gonna close my notch, either one or two more, and I'm gonna start fading that guideline out. So as you see darker hairs or darker areas, you could close a notch and use the corners of the blade itself to get those darker spots out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on IG, you could also do so, A_B_Fernandez. Now with the number 1 guard, I'm gonna open it and then close one notch. And as you can see here, I'm not going into the top of the crown, I'm going on the side, cutting against the grain. I'm gonna open it all the way and very carefully using the corners of the guard, not going completely to the top. Now with the 0 guard, I'm gonna close it and then open it one notch, stretching the skin with my thumb slightly up. I'm gonna start blending, working my way towards the top. Again, then I'm gonna open it about halfway and I'm gonna keep working my way up. I'm gonna close it as needed for those darker areas that are hard to get, using the corners only when you're closing or opening to those darker spots. Now with the 1.5 guard, I'm gonna open it about halfway, and I'm only gonna be using just the corners of the tip of the guard just to get it a little easier blend towards that darker area that we did with the number 3 on top. Along with that, I'm gonna use my thinning shears. I'm gonna use a comb and then the thinning shears just to get a nicer or better transition, better blend towards the top. As you can see here, just combing it very lightly, those darker areas. Now with the shaver, as you can see, I'll mark with my finger where I initiated with the trimmers. I don't want to get the shavers all the way to that line. Pretty much once I get closer to the line, I flick the shaver out so I don't create another hard line. You could also use the shaver very lightly if the line is very hard to get out on a downward motion. You could also grab your trimmers using the corner and getting those darker little hairs out, so it creates a better blend and a better transition when the initiated guideline that is hard to get out. Stretching the skin lightly, combing it out, and stuff like that. Now you could use any shaving gel you desire, eraser that you desire, and pretty much all we're doing is cleaning what we already did with the trimmers. We're not creating another line, just cleaning work. That's all we're doing. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's very easy way to do a high skin fade. Here's the final results.